There we go. Breakfast is served. Hello. Eat your heart out, Aid Larson. Right, we got ourselves a Hydrangea lace cap. Had it in there, wasn't doing very well, as you can see. Yeah. There we go. A 15-minute drive north of Swindon. Yeah, about that, I suppose. Just inside Wiltshire is a place called Cotswold Water Park. I'm at Neighbridge Country Park. I'm going to have a bit of a walk around. I've got my drone with me and got the cameras. Just so I do my pre-flight checks. Are we clear for takeoff, my dear? Let's put those damn things in.
Sorry, forgot about you.
I don't know, I just picked up, I was picking up some dog poo. I picked up a knife right by it. Could be a murder weapon. Someone could have been murdered here. Chucked in the lake and then they discarded the murder weapon. Now I've got my blooming hands all over it. I guess I'm the murderer. Oh, that's it. Who's got the food? I'll be your best friend. Come on.
You're not moving.
I'll buy you an ice cream. You don't want to go. See you later. Have a great time. Take care. Right. Okay. This is the next day. Time is 10 minutes to 10. I'm on the way out to Shrewden Park Golf Club. I've been invited out to play in a little competition, so not played for best part of a year, so this is going to be interesting.
Fantastic. That was brilliant.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was brilliant.
That's brilliant. God, goodness me. I can only go downhill from here.
Nice one. Yeah,
There we go. He's our banker. He's our banker. Well done. Well done, banker.
Welcome.
That's a 3, isn't it? Birdie.
Yeah.
Well done. I thought that was a practice swing you had there.
Yeah.
It's a mulligan.
Yeah, but I think you're doing that beside the ball, not behind it.
Unfortunately, I'm playing like an old woman today. I'm not playing very well at all.
Have you got your camera on?
Yeah. Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. It's going to go right, isn't it? Hey! You got it for free?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what. You give me $5 and I'll keep it.
Hang on a minute.
He must like
Mind you,
that.
Asking for you, it's asking for your credit card number.
Little round thing.
Do you ever read terms and think?
It's not asking for your credit.
No, it's asking for yours. Yeah, of course you are. Yeah, yours is different.
Yeah, they'll only finish bigger. It's only, yeah.
Oh yeah, I see. How far you got? You got 1. I got 165.
Yeah, but
That's 10 yards out.
you got a cheap bloody GPS.
Yeah.
What is that?
Samsung.
Right, Samsung. What?
Samsung.
Oh,
What's that then?
a Samsung.
Oh, golf shot. Come on, Carol.
Yes.
Oh! If the flag was out, I would have been down there. Well played, well played.
Yeah, well done. You don't forget that marker this day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. It was a pleasure. The pleasure was all yours.
Yes, the pleasure was all mine. Cheers, mate.
I don't know, even steady game that. That's great, Carol. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. That was brilliant. I really enjoyed that. Thanks for the invite, Carol.
Good team effort.
Yeah, it was good. It was good. We picked some good shots. I had a few bad ones.